All right. Hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And just so you know, I've made a copy of this miles per gallon program, which is not as easy to do in here as you would think. And I'm going to try to see if I can change all the stuff in there that I did with basically with just if statements to try catch. Okay, now I'm going to write this in. I literally have been thinking about this for a couple minutes, and let's see. I'm going to view the code. I have no idea if what I'm about to do will work. If it gets totally hosed, you won't even know this lecture existed, but we'll see. So, I'm going to forget this keep going thing to start with, and I'm going to come in here with a try block. Maybe I will need to keep going. So. No idea. Okay. Let's give me these errors because it doesn't like the fact that I've got an empty try block in here. Let's try this. So I'm going to come in here and, like I said, make a bunch of changes in here. No idea what I'm doing, to be honest with you. That's what I want. So if this didn't work, rather than just a return statement like this, clear it, but then I want to throw a new let's see, someplace in here, and I've looked at it before. I want to make sure I'm throwing the right type of exception. Complete list of exceptions. Let's look at that. Okay, the argument out of range is what's going to be used when we're doing the range thing. This will be an argument exception. It's an invalid argument, but I don't think that's it. I think it's a format exception. The format is invalid. All right, so I'm going to try doing it like that. All right, else throw new format exception. Miles driven text box cannot be empty. All right. Oops, that's okay. I'm going to do the same thing here. I haven't been talking, but I'm just kind of writing this literally off the top of my head, which is never a great thing to do. But let's go back here. Not there. Let's go back to about page 200 here. And I know what I'm looking for, but when I find it, I'll show you. Okay, we want to do a message. A message. We'll just do the message. That's fine. So I'm going to come in here on all these, and I'm going to call that show message. And the message will be fe.message. And the title will be format exception raised. All right, and this one will be a show message. And this will be an argument out of range exception raised. And this last one will be a show message. And it will be a general exception raised. All right, now it's telling me someplace I don't have a semicolon, which would be here. Okay, I have no idea if this will work or not. It's still showing me my original message, which is not good. I said when I made this copy, weird things can happen when you make the copy. Let me do a file save all here. So this is still doing that. Okay, let me get rid of that, those messages that are in there. So the is within range, etc. is present. And all I'm going to do is just set retval. In fact, let me just comment this out. All right. Again, I have no idea if I'm doing this right or not, but see it. Oh, I think it's still calling my old program, even though it's showing the purple one here. How do I make that work? I think it's still running the old program. Okay. And maybe, did I reset the reset this to set a startup project. I don't know. See, now I think it's right. Okay. Format exception raised. Good. Miles driven text box cannot be empty. Okay. Format exception raised. Must be numeric. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's working. All right, so for whatever reason, now it looks like it's working. And what I have done is I have come in here and I have changed writing this with if statements to writing this with a try-catch block. There's still if statements in it, but I'm now throwing exceptions. All right, and I think that's what I wanted to do. We're going to find out. Again, all these programs, I'm going to give them to you, and we're going to go over them in class. So let me do a save all, and I'm going to exit that. I'm going to exit that. I'm going to exit that, and just so I'm ready, I'm going to be writing a new program in a couple minutes, or a new project. And it will be test project 5. I want to make that my active project. And I'm going to change the color of my form and then run it. So this is going to be, we're going to be working with arrays next. If you don't know what they are, you'll learn. So again, let's come in here and change the color to something I know we haven't used before. Aqua. There we go. And we'll run this quickly. Make sure I get an aqua form. There we go. All right. So I'm ready to start Chapter 8 in just a couple moments. See you then.